Analysts predicted that SPEL would reach a maximum price level of $0.098 by the end of the year 2030. Are you looking for the most popular cryptocurrency token on the market right now? SPEL Token Crypto is a new cryptocurrency that has lately appeared in the trending sections of various cryptocurrency websites. When compared to many other tokens, the token currently has a higher ranking than most. If you intend to make long-term investments, you should consider the following. SPEL cryptocurrency has the potential to be an excellent investment, with simple 3x or 5x returns in the coming years. It's still in its infancy, and new individuals are becoming acquainted with it on a daily basis, so let's first see. What is SPEL? As an example, let's point out that much of the information on the coin is not available on the internet, which is causing traders to become disoriented. Thus, Abracadabra Money is governed by the SPEL token, which is a cryptocurrency that allows users to deposit collateral in the form of interest-bearing crypto assets in order to mint MIM, which is a stable coin that has been working to maintain a value of $100. SPEL can be staked in order to obtain SPEL, which in turn grants the right to govern as well as other benefits. On the Ethereum, Avalanche, Phantom, and Arbitrum 1 blockchains, token workers are employed. To put it in another way, when the token is staked, it is used for incentivization and voting rights. More than 13,000 people have purchased SPEL coins on the Ethereum network. More than 13,000 people have purchased SPEL tokens through the Phantom network, and nearly 14,000 addresses currently own this token on the Arbitrum 1 network. In other words, as of the time of writing, there are roughly 35,000 people who own the SPEL token. Because of this, it's critical to read up on the coin and crypto token price predictions. SPEL token price prediction. In this video, we'll talk about some of the most common questions that need to be answered quickly and correctly. In every cryptocurrency project, there is a distinguishing quality that distinguishes it from the rest of the pack. Cryptocurrencies were made to be safe networks that could be used to make file sharing technology even better. Due to the significant price increase in the cryptocurrency field in recent months, investors have grown increasingly interested in the space and want to know the answer to these frequently asked questions. Is SPEL token a good investment? What will the value of SPEL token be in 2025? Or what will the value of SPEL token be in the next 10 years? When it comes to this video gives information on the fundamentals as well as the swings in the SPEL price forecast on the front end. SPEL token is currently trading at $0.004 and has a market capitalization of $315,547,987, ranking it 153rd on the list of the world's most valuable cryptocurrencies. According to the Tech News Leader Price Index, SPEL has a 24-hour trading volume of $55,985,689. SPEL token's price has dropped by 1.4% in the last 24 hours compared to its previous value, and it's dropped 6.76% in the last 7 days. The maximum supply of this coin is 90,039,756,909. SPEL price prediction for 2022. As a result, SPEL will be regarded as a superior alternative, and the price of SPEL tokens will soar to new heights as a result of the large community's support. Price variations are difficult to forecast, particularly when the market is more bullish or bearish than it's ever been. It's predicted that the price of a SPEL token will reach almost $0.005 by 2022. The most we can get is $0.006. The average price of a SPEL token is predicted to be around $0.005 by the end of 2022. Within the range set by the cryptocurrency market, there is expected to be a lot of price movement. SPEL price prediction for 2023. An easy-to-understand approach to this currency may be found on numerous websites and discussion forums. According to this prediction platform, the price of SPEL token will remain stable at its current level for an extremely long period of time. By 2023, it is anticipated that the SPEL token will be worth a maximum of $0.008 per unit. If the market turns bullish, the minimum price can rise to $0.007 per unit. SPEL price prediction for 2024. Volatility is the driving force behind the Bitcoin market. Today, it's difficult to predict and stay up to date with the present pricing environment. This is where a large number of crypto analysts come into play. For the years in question, the pricing estimates are accurate. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency buyers are still concerned about cryptocurrency prohibitions and additional restrictions. If the market experiences a strong bull run in 2024, the price of SPEL token might reach $0.012. The fact that it is projected to be held by long-term investors means that its average price for 2024 will be approximately $0.01. Spell price prediction for 2025. Basic analysis is required to make long-term predictions about the price of Spell tokens. The native token provides a limited number of benefits to the industry. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it an excellent choice. As distributed application programming interfaces, or dApps, and stablecoins mature, the network will provide competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage choices. If additional investors get interested in the idea, there's a probability that the average price of Spell may climb to approximately $0.014 by 2025. A maximum price of $0.017 and a minimum price of $0.014 are possible for the year of 2025. Spell price prediction for 2026. There are hints that the cryptocurrency market is on the verge of entering a new era. It is certain that the long-term price projection for Spell will skyrocket as long as there is still hope that the currency will garner a great deal of interest. According to certain estimates, the year 2026 may come to a close with an average price of $0.021 and a minimum price value of $0.02. The highest price is expected to be around $0.024, which is how the market is currently priced. Spell price prediction for 2027. Due to the interest generated by the current price range of Spell token, it's possible for Spell to reach $0.035 by 2027, with major cooperation with financial institutions if the following conditions are met. With an average price of $0.03 in 2027, it has the potential to outperform the current price trend and achieve new highs. The price tagline may change when the cryptocurrency market experiences another upward trend on its way to the year 2027, for example. Spell price prediction for 2028. It is possible that certain collaborations and developments may enhance the number of users and adoption of Spell, which has tremendous potential. If the market focuses its attention on investing in the Spell token, the price of the token could grow significantly. If the markets continue to decline, it's projected that Spell will begin to turn around a little. An average price of $0.042 can be achieved by the end of the year 2028, with a minimum price of $0.041 and a maximum price of $0.049. Spell price prediction for 2029. According to current trends, the price of Spell tokens will have reached a level comparable to their previous all-time high by 2029. By 2029, we can anticipate an average price of $0.059 per token. If all goes according to plan, the maximum price of Spell token might reach $0.071 in 2029, according to our predictions. After a long bull run, there is always the possibility that the market will crash, which is quite common in the cryptocurrency market. Spell price prediction for 2030. Because of the efforts of the network developers and community investors, the value of the Spell token will rise. As a result, the forecasted price for 2030 is positive. Analysts predicted that the Spell token will reach a maximum price level of $0.098 by the end of the year 2030. On the other hand, there is a strong likelihood that the Spell token's future will improve. As a result, in 2030, the average price of Spell is estimated to range between $0.079 and $0.082, depending on the market. Spell price prediction for 2031. With increased acceptance and agreements with other major blockchain networks, the price of Spell token is expected to skyrocket in 2031, with a potential average price of $0.12 and a potential trading price of $0.14 if all goes well. Well, that's it. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thanks for watching.